welcome back for the second part of this 2021 paper, summer paper, that's May June, and we are doing paper 2-1's axis part. So 18th step is done. Let's move to 19th step. Using fields from all tables, produce a tabular report. So all fields, like using all the tables means 3 tables we are going to use. Can you imagine? Okay, now let's see that. I have to jump on to this step where I have the list of fields. Okay, it's a report. For that I have to create the query. Fine. So open this. Create query design, pick all, add, close. Okay, this results has to be in the middle. Okay, fine. Now let's see the list of fields as per the question. First name, last name, year of birth. First name, last name, year of birth. Nationality, location. Nationality, and where is the location? This is, here is the location. And the last, outcome and position. Outcome, where is outcome? Here is outcome and position. Okay, how many? These are 7 fields in the list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fields in the list. In this order, and did not group. Okay, fine. So this is done. Now go to the first point here. Select the records where location includes the text ham. Includes the text. When it is said includes the text, means ham is a part of the whole value in the particular field. Okay, so if any ham is there in the whole the value, we have to pick the whole value. Fine, so that is includes, and whenever we have to do including part, we have to use star. We have to use star in the formula, in the condition. Okay, under which location? Okay, under which column? The field, it's location under criteria. Fine. See, here is the one. Now I have to take as like. Okay, first quote, then star. I have to type in ham. Okay, we will take double quotes, star, ham. Now star, closing star, and then closing double quotes. Fine, it has to be like this. Just save the work once. Query Q, what's the question number? 19th 1-9. Just save this. And just run this. Where is this? See, look at this location. It's 320. All having Hershey ham. Oof. Even Bricken ham. See, wherever ham is there, all the records are displayed. Okay, that's working perfectly. Let's go to design again and let's work on further questions. Nationality is Australia or New Zealand. Nationality here AUS or NZL. like just enter like this and press enter. Okay, just save and just run and check this condition is working or not under nationality. Look at that. Now it became just 38 records. Can you see that, from 320 to 38? Okay, only Australia and New Zealand. Okay, furthermore conditions. Outcome is complete. Outcome is complete. C or D, NF, DNF, something is there, but they want only complete. Just type in there complete spelling without errors. That's it. Press enter. Save the work and run. Now, what is the number of records? 30. From 38 to 30. Now, just total 30 records are here. Now, any more conditions as per the question paper? Sort the data into ascending order of nationality. Okay, this will be of reports part. Okay, now what we'll do, we are gonna just end up this query by just saving this, save this again, and close this. Okay, we are going to take now the report. Create report wizard, and make sure you are using the query from this list, table or query list. It is a class, this one. Now these are the fields in that. Pick all the fields and next. Here we just have to change this. Fine. We have to change this, not like this. We have to get, yes, we have to get like this. Okay, never take that to this one. Never take that two separate box. Okay, this one we have to pick. Otherwise, the whole output of the report you'll get no, upside down. Okay, what about ascending, descending? Something is there. Ascending order of nationality. Okay, let me take that. Ascending order of nationality, and ascending order of position. Another ascending position. Next. Now, has a page orientation, portrait, single page, portrait and fits on a single page. Now further, includes only the text Oceania results as a title at the top of the page. Okay, let me just add the title Oceania results. Here I'm gonna add spelling Oceania. What's the name? Oceania results. Okay, then say modify the report's design. Is the spelling correct? Fine. Now let me end up this. Fine, this is the design view of the report. Now let me just see in the layout how my data came up from the query. Look at that, we have to adjust this all the time for the better printing and look as well. Here, what is this? This one, position. Okay, just keep it just even out the stuff. Here, from here to here, just even out from here and the last name is fine. Just let me move a little bit this side. Okay, I need please for the next one. What is this? Year of birth. Year of birth it is, and it's just a number like this. And location I can move a little bit that side. Just even out all the fields so that when you print it, all the data appears clearly. It should not go out. Single page. Okay. Okay, fine. This is done. Just check till the bottom whether all the records are appearing clearly. Look at that. Yeah, fine. It's fine. Can I move this a little bit this side? Okay, save it. Now, let me see what else I have to do from the question. Has your name, center number, and candidate number on the report? Okay, where on the report? Somewhere on the report means let's go for the header next to the title. Okay, home, view, design. Now I'm going to just place my details in a label over here. My name, center number, and candidate number. Okay, even if you want, you can highlight this, go home and just increase the format, just color, bold, and you can make it bit 12 or something like that. Okay, done. Just make sure it's quite visible. Save. And let's have a final look at this along with our details. Yeah, it'll be like this. Okay, this is perfect. Now let's see what else we have to do. Save and print your report. Yeah, we can print that. Fine. So question number 19 is done. One report is done. Let's move on to the next. Okay, now let's go for step 20. Using fields from all tables, produce a tabular report that even it got a big list of the points. First, how many tables we have to use? We are going to use all the tables and all the fields. So a list of fields will be given that we will pick from 3 tables. And here we have 3 tables: athlete table, events table, results table. See, in events table, wetsuit is in this way, yes no type is in this way. What we can do is go to table fields, and data type is short text. Change that to short text. Then you can see yes no types over here. Okay, save it. Now let's start the query for question number 20. Create query design. All 3 tables we have to pick. This is not needed. These 3. Okay, just we can close this one, close this one, and close this one. Fine. Now let's see the list of fields. First name, last name, location. Let me pick first name, last name, and location. Next, swim T1 and bike. Swim T1, bike. T2 run wetsuit. T2 I guess here run. And where is wetsuit? Wetsuit is in the other one. Here is wetsuit. Then total transition and position. Total transition, I guess it's a new field. Yeah, it's here. Contains a new field called total transition, which is calculate runtime to add the contents of T1 and T2. But total transition is last but one in the field list. Okay, after that we have position. Okay, let's work on this total transition. Here, the next column here is total transition. Let me just type in with the proper spelling. Total underscore transition, a colon. Now it's calculated as T1 plus T2, and T1 is a column name, so put it in the square bracket, T1 and close the square bracket, plus another square bracket, T2. Okay, this is done. Save this Q20. And I guess let's go to the question paper and see what else more with this to do. Here, format this field to display time as hours, minutes, and seconds. Okay, so we have to set it as a time. Select this field, go to property sheet and format. Just open it here under format. Time. Check this. What is this? Long time having all 2 digits each. Hours, minutes, and seconds. Select this. Okay, close it. Now the last column is what? The position. Position is where? Position in which table? Okay, this is a position. We got all the field list. What is the count of the field list? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th is the new field, and then 11. Okay, now let me see in the question paper, or have we got 11 there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th is the new column, and 11th. Yeah, perfectly. All right. Now let's go for next point to work on. Select the records where position is more than 0 and 5 or less. 5 or less. So position, where is the position? Is the last column there, last field under criteria. So it is said it's given a range of values 0 and 5, both are inclusive, right? Both are inclusive. So in the sense we can take new the formula type clause, we call that between clause. Okay, between 0 and 5. So 0 and 5 both are inclusive, means 1 to 5, whatever the positions, it has to display as a records. Okay, just save this and run the query to see the output of this position condition. Where is the position? Here is the position having zeros, all zeros. Then we go to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, perfectly all right. As is working, 236 records are there. Now let's do further conditions. Gender is female. Gender. I guess there is no gender in this. Okay, let's add gender there. Where is the gender? Here in the first athlete, gender. And here they want only the females. FEMALE, female, and just press enter. Save and run the query. Gender, you can see gender over there. Here is the gender, all females, all just females, and 116 records. 116 records. Can you see all females? Yes, this is female power. Now let's go to the question paper. Yeah, this is done, and this till here it's done. Okay, 116 records will be there in the report, the query. Now this is a part of the report section. Now let's end up this query. Yes, save for the last time and close this. Now create report wizard. Now open the query 20. Here is the one, and take all the fields. Next, this is not allowed. Just pick the single box type. Okay, next. Now let me see, ordering, sorting, descending order of position. Here toggle button, descending, then position. Next, I guess it should be landscape. Voila, yeah. And one page wide. Next, includes only the text top female triathletes as a title displayed in a larger font size at the top of the page. So top female triathletes. Let me type that. Let me top female triathletes. Okay, modify the report design, finish. So this is the design view of the report. My mouse is giving a lot of issues from the morning. Okay, save the work. Now let's see what is the output in the layout view of this report. Look at that, there's a lot of data, so we have to adjust that with a lot of patience. So much data is there. Here, properly adjust that stuff. Position, can you see that? And last name, okay, like this. Just adjust all the data properly. And something, it is swim, I think. Okay, this one. Next, just move it away, this one. Run. T2. Oh, it's not fitting. We have to move it more. Can you see there? We need space for this gender here. and this is another one, sometime transition. Yeah, total transition. Full the heading has to have to appear. Be careful with that, because when you print this, it has to be perfect with all the data, all the labels, the field labels and all. This one, this is T2. Just I'll move it a bit this side. This is T2. This one is T1, right? Just let me move this a bit. Yeah, I can adjust this further. And this. Yeah, now it's perfect, I guess. See, this is suit. Suit. Okay, just go to the bottom and check whether any long record is the values covering up. Fine. Save the work and let's do more. Here it's given the title is displayed in a larger font size at the top of the page. Let's adjust that one. Home, view, design. Here I'll just increase the width of it, the length of it, and go to home, change the color, bold, and to some other font. Even you can increase the size of it like this. Okay, is it clear? Save. Now next, calculate the number of, this is all done. Calculates the number of database records shown in this report and places this at the end of the report formatted as an integer. Now I'm in the design view. I have to just count the records. Any field you can pick and just count them. Okay, since they wanted in the at the bottom of the report the counted value, so I'm just picking this bike. Anyone you can pick, any field you can take. Here just select report design, totals, count records. Okay, and we have to make it as an integer. Select property sheet, format, go for fixed, and decimal places 0. Okay, close this. Now what's further? Has a label number of competitors to the left of this value. Label, report design label, and just drag over here. Number of competitors. Okay, we can format this to look better. Select both of them. Home, change the color, select make it bold, 12. Okay, enough. So you can keep anything. That's too much. Okay, fine. Save, and just let's go to layout view and check at the bottom. Yes, this is the end of the report. Okay, like this. Good. Now save. What's more, display only your name, center number, candidate number in the footer, so it appears in the same position on every page. Make sure no other data is displayed in the footer. Yeah, whatever extra data is there, see this page or page and date and all, that we have to remove, and they want only our details to be there in that. So let's delete from the footer these two, the date and the page number. Now go to report design, take a label, and we can just drag it over here, and let's type in our details, center number, candidate number. Okay, select home, black and bold. Fine, save. Now go and check in the layout at the bottom. This is in the footer. This is in the footer. Okay, even if you want, we can just make it bit here, like this. Correct, in the center. Save. Now what more, print out. We're going to take that. This whole thing is done. Place evidence 6 it is. Place in that evidence 6 a screenshot showing the database formula used to calculate the total number of competitors. Okay, go to design of this one. This one they want to see how we calculated it. So just press print screen, and from here you have to pick to show your report name there, and this is the calculation, and copy this. Go to the evidence and evidence 6 over here. This is the evidence. Save. Now it's done. 6th evidence is also done. What else? Yeah, this is the end of second part of paper 2021 MS Access database part of summer paper. That's May-June. Thank you.